Good day, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering one of the biggest mistakes most people make with fresh basil, putting it in the fridge. That's right, refrigeration actually kills basil faster. But don't worry, because we are going to show you the master gardener's secret to keeping basil fresh for months, even up to a year. Imagine having your basil ready for your pasta, pizza, or homemade pesto any time of year. Let's get into it. Basil is a tropical herb and it hates the cold. The refrigerator damages its leaves, making them black and slimy. Unlike parsley or cilantro, basil thrives in warmth and light. Think of basil like a banquet of flowers. Would you stick your flowers in the fridge? Probably not. Tip: always treat basil like fresh cut flowers and it'll reward you with longer life. Short-term storage up to 2 weeks. 1. Water jar method. Trim stems, place in a glass of water, cover loosely with a plastic bag. Keep on counter at room temperature. Change water every 2 to 3 days. 2. Paper towel wrap. Wrap leaf gently in a damp paper towel. Place inside a breathable bag, not airtight. Store on counter away from direct sunlight. These two methods alone can give you fresh basil for 7 to 14 days, no fridge needed. Long-term preservation, months to a year. Air drying. Tie stems upside down in a dry, dark place for 1 to 2 weeks, or use a dehydrator, oven on lowest setting. You want to store these in airtight jars. This lasts up to a year. Method number 2, freezing in ice cube trays. Chop basil, place in ice cube trays. Fill with olive oil or water. Freeze pop cubes into soups, sauces, and stir fries. Method 3, pesto for preservation. Blend basil with olive oil, garlic, nuts, and cheese. Freeze in a small container or ice cube trays. Fresh pesto all year long. Method 4, basil salt or basil butter. Mix chopped basil with coarse salt, basil infused salt, or mix with softened butter. Basil butter logs. Wrap and freeze. Harvest smart. Always pinch from the top to encourage more growth. Never wash before storing. Moisture causes faster spoilage. Wash only before you use it. Grow your own year-round. Basil grows well indoors on a sunny windowsill or under grow lights. Tip: if you want basil 365 days a year, grow a few small pots indoors. Even in winter, you'll always have fresh basil. So there you have it, friends, the master gardener's secret to keeping basil fresh for weeks, months, even a whole year. No more slimy, wasted basil in the fridge. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your gardening and cooking friends, and subscribe for more natural living and gardening tips. Drop a comment below. Which method will you try first? Drying, freezing, or pesto? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, inshallah.